Good morning, Roxanne from Tiny Home Living here. Well, it is a beautiful day, cloudy, but at least it's not raining and it's not hot. We're gonna try and go get some more of the furniture from our friend's garage. And meanwhile, our friend is here with his tractor and baler, and we offered our back area of the property for him to bale. There's tons and tons of clover in there, and so they're just out looking at the field now. It's a little bit hilly, so I think they're just trying to figure out a plan of action. Chris was going to cut it all down with the rough cut mower, but he's going to let these guys take what they want and then cut the rest with the rough cut mower, and that'll get the property tidied up if we can possibly get done before fall. I just don't know. We can't keep up with the grass this year at all. I haven't been paying much attention at all to the greenhouse because I just haven't had time. But the tomatoes are doing well, the basil's doing well, green onions and leeks not so much. Not so much, as I was saying before my battery died again. The greenhouse is just, as you can see, chaos, mess. Oh my goodness, this makes me crazy. But tomatoes are doing well, my herbs are doing well, basil's doing well, the cucumbers going crazy. Chris loves regular cucumbers, you just can't find them. Cantaloupes have finally started. Tiny bit of celery, gonna have to reseed that again. Don't know what that is. More celery, tomatoes. This one has an actual tomato on it. These are beefsteak tomatoes. Herbs are finally doing well. Planted dill this year just because I was lucky enough to find it. So you can see the boys out there. That's David, the oldest boy. I believe he's turning 13 next month. These kids know more and can do more than most adult men. They are homeschooled, of course, and just amazing kids. Amazing. I know I'm biased, but seriously, these kids are so amazing. We just got the barbed wire taken down yesterday. I don't know if Chris messaged him or what, so he's here today to get this done, hopefully. Hopefully they still want to do it. So we are going to go get the TV cabinet now and hopefully some chairs. This is going to be interesting because I'm sure not everything can fit. I think I'll move these chairs out of the way and maybe the table because this is narrow now because of the cabinet there. Bookshelf. But how exciting is this? Oh my goodness. Like, we built a huge 2-story house with a 3-car garage and moved in 3.5 months. Doing most of it ourselves. So this has been such a painful, prolonged experience because of Chris getting so sick, and then I've been sick off and on too, so it has just been absolutely brutal, the wait to get here. And so, and I'm one of those people, I'm right brain, whether it's a house, whatever, I see the drawings, I have the picture in my head, I know exactly what it's going to look like. It's just getting there, you know, and this has been brutal. So I'm just over the moon. I'm so over the top excited about this. Haven't really thought too much about the bedroom. We're still pondering the whole bed frame thing. We don't want the bed going across this way this time. We want the head of the bed at the window. So that creates problems with the curtains. It creates problem with the headboard. It creates problems with tables on either side. Do you put it against the wall on one side? So yeah, I'm really not too sure yet. So I've got enough room for this, hopefully, here. Got the TV cabinet in, the little sofa bed. Table's in here. My chair and ottoman that's almost touching the bookcase. And the 2 reclining chairs are partially reclined, so we'll see. Don't have the chaise in here, no way it's gonna fit. So we'll put a table in between those two chairs, a table in between this chair and the little sofa, and probably leave this for a chair. Did I say chair or table? Table in between those two. Table in between those two. And leave this for another chair to sit at the table. But that's it for a tiny house. This is big scale furniture, but this is what we have and we're going to make do with it. And of course Chris has his theater seating right in front of where the brand new TV he thinks he's going to get is going. And I get shuffled off to the side. So you can see we switched the brown chair and ottoman with the red chair, because then the ottoman isn't blocking here. It doesn't look as balanced down there, which doesn't make me happy, but you can actually recline the red chair here. And this way somebody can walk to the brown chair, sit down, relax. This one you can recline if you want to as well. There's enough space here. Got enough space for the heater. We did have to push all of these down, so my little homemade table isn't going to fit here, but I have a little tiny green one I'm hoping will fit. Well, today we actually ate dinner at the dinner table again. Gonna go cuckoo with this, looking for my pokey things. Found the slip cover for this little sofa bed. We are going to build a custom table for in here. This one's way too small, obviously. Not a bad height, but cute little table. My chair, my favorite chair, is over in there in the corner now, but that's okay. If it was over here and the ottoman was right in everybody's path, so I like the two leather chairs over there. It was more balanced, but that's okay. I'll do that with art. Got a little table here that's perfect. This was in my mom's house. Got my brand new lamp with my pineapples on it. Don't know if everybody knows, pineapple is a symbol of hospitality. I hung a throw over the back of that chair, the wood, so the wood can't mark the walls. Got some of my stuff in here, some of the prettier stuff. But I've got photos of my kids and everything that go on here as well. Probably going to go buy a new TV so Chris will stop whining. Really can't settle in here until he gets his TV, right? He was kind of eyeballing my leather chair. No, he wanted the little sofa, so that's what he's getting, his little girly sofa. Anyway, got to make a custom table for here. Gonna have to make some custom sized tables for in the bedroom. We just have the mattress flopped on the floor like a frat house, but still have to juggle things around. But just need to be able to lay down and die tonight, because it has been a long day moving stuff. Heavy work. Thank goodness our friend Greg helped Chris move some of the heavy stuff. I was still sore from moving these bookshelves yesterday. So that little sofa bed and the other stuff. Oh my goodness. And can't fit the chaise in here, which is what I kind of thought anyway. But now we'll do some more cleaning up tomorrow, and then I can go get all the boxes with my art in it and try and figure out what I'm going to put where. Just a small space here. Probably going to put some out in the other sea can too. TV going here, of course. But I've got a lot more wall space on this wall than I envisioned, and then I'll balance this out here with my other stuff. And then I've got this great big long wall, and then the two little end walls, of course, to hang some art. So an awesome day. Now I am still washing berries, raspberries, and Saskatoons from last night. Still got to do a mountain of dishes. Just put a huge load of laundry on the clothesline. So I'm done. We're whooped. Chris is actually out. I finally got the rough cut mower hooked onto the tractor. Other friends showed up to cut the hay today. So he's gone and cut what is left with the rough cut mower. So he'll be coming in needing a shower and really want to fall down dead on the mattress. So I'm gonna get the dishes done. We're both gonna hit the showers, done for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. And we'll see you tomorrow.